अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, आज मैं आई हुई हूँ शहर पे। और अगर आप शहर पे आते हैं तो आपको पता होगा यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ईटरीज़ हैं, बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं और बहुत सारा खाना मिलता है। एंड वन ऑफ दोज ईटरीज़ इज़ अ फूड ट्रक कॉल्ड बाओबे।
Cut, we gotta do that again. Hey guys, welcome to Baobei.
Hi! So tell us a little bit about the menu.
Okay, so we do something really simple. It's just freshly steamed baos and hand-cut udon noodles made fresh every day.
Sounds delicious.
Yep.
So what do we get today?
You're gonna go for the trio of baos.
Okay.
So it's our chicken karage, our braised beef, and our crispy prawn bao. It's basically what we started with. So yeah, that's our signature trio.
Sounds delicious. I'm up for it.
All right, for sure. Let's punch that in.
Okay, so let's have a look inside. तो इस वक्त क्या बन रहा है?
हम आपके ऑर्डर किए हुए बाव बर्गर्स रेडी कर रहे हैं जिसमें चिकन करागे, ब्रेस्ट बीफ और प्रॉन बाव है। और उसके प्रिपरेशन में हमने आपके जो प्रॉन बाव है और करागे उसको डीप फ्राइड किया है। ब्रेस्ट बीफ फ्रेशली कुक होगा और ये हमारे बाव में बंस हैं, फ्रेशली बेक्ड स्टीम बंस।
गाइस, अगर आपने सुना होगा तो इनका रोस्ट बीफ बर्गर आपने कहा है वो सबसे स्पेशल है। सो ट्राई द रोस्ट बीफ बर्गर एंड ऑल्सो ट्राई देयर udons. And if you have 15 minutes to spare, guys, you can come and get this. So while we wait for our food, I thought we'd have a chat with the owners.
Food truck culture is really big all around the world right now, and we want to bring that to Karachi.
For sure.
Now, we really thought, how do we go about doing that? And we wanted to do that by introducing a product which is completely made in-house. Like from start to finish, our processes are done in-house. The idea of the trucks also came about because we really wanted to give everyone an equal chance to really focus on food and their own ideas and give home chefs a voice.
Actually, one of our clients, one of our loyal clients, came in and she got a few baos. We sent a few over to her house, and the next time she came in, she actually gave us this plant pot. We've kept it here the entire time. It's going to stay here the entire way. So we want to actually build that sort of community feeling where we have loyal customers, people that we actually care about. You'll see me and Miwan come here all the time. We're either here or at a new branch in Tipu Sultan.
Wow. Well, now that you've talked so much about baos, I'm getting hungry. So why don't we actually get to the eating? Okay, so we have these 3 baos in front of me. The prawn, the chicken and the beef. I'm really excited to try them. This one has a seasoned fried prawn cake, some chili and lime sauce, spicy tartar sauce, pickled onions, and some shredders. Now this one has some slow-cooked pulled beef, spicy peanut butter, coriander and peanuts. And finally, there's the crispy chicken thigh, their signature bao sauce and pickled cabbage with spicy mayo. Cool, so I'm gonna start with the chicken. I'm very excited. It has some pink cabbage on it and super cute and looks very tender. Already you can see the crispiness and I'm very excited to try it. So right off the bat, you can really just taste the juicy flavor of the chicken, which I really like. And I'm getting the hint of the cabbage. I really enjoy the texture of the bao bun. Like you can tell that it's very freshly made. Okay, so for the next one, I'm gonna try beef one. So right off the bat, what you see here is a bunch of peanuts. The only thing you can really see here is just a bunch of coriander and peanuts. But I'm sure there's a lot more to this bao than just the simple outlook that it gives. So I'm really gonna just check it out. This one's a little drier than the last one, I have to say. So like if you're more into a juicier bao, maybe the last one's for you. But I personally am a beef nut, so I love this one. It's really great, super rich in flavor, very nicely made. Okay, finally the prawn. Oh wow, I really feel that like sauce in there and a little bit tangy. And I feel like the prawn is very fresh. And if you break it apart a little bit, you can just see, if you come closer, that it has a bunch of layers in here, like the sauce, a lot of like the cabbage and everything. So for me, I think it was really amazing. So it's very well made and a little bit spicy, and I like that. If I had to pick, I would pick the chicken because it was my favorite in terms of the texture, the flavor, the balance of the meat with the salad. The bun, I think, out of all of them was the freshest on the one with the chicken. And my second favorite, I think, has to be the beef. I'm not really somebody who likes a lot of fish, so maybe that's why I didn't like the prawn. But I thought overall, all of these were really great. And if you're going to come out here and do some tasting and just check out what they have to offer, then I think these 3 are the way to go. So this was our Baobei food journey. हमें बहुत मज़ा आया, हमने बहुत different खाने try किए. I recommend that you guys come check this out. And if you like this video, then like and subscribe and see you in the next one.